Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how you can hide apps on iPhone. You just have to download an app, then you'll be able to hide your apps on iPhone. So all you have to do, head on to your app store. So we're going to search for the app name. The app is called Cloak. Okay, sorry, that was a mistake. Cloak, as you can see, hide apps. So this is the app that we are going to download to be able to hide apps on our iPhone. And you to be able to download this app, you have to have XR upload, that's the iOS 16. So after downloading the app, so we are going to open the app. So I'm going to try and hide my Twitter app. So as you can see, Twitter is still right here. So let me open the Cloak app. You can see after setting it up, all you have to do, continue. So after setting it up and everything, it's going to display this page. All you have to do is just to choose app, tap on it. So I'm going to go to social, and as you can see, this is coming. This is Twitter. I'm going to select Twitter and click done up right here. So after clicking on done, as you can see, this hide. So I'm going to tap on the hide. As you can see, hiding. So the Twitter app has been hidden on my phone. As you can see, the Twitter app is no longer here. So I'm going to open the app again. So if you want to unhide this app, all you have to do is just to click on this hiding again. So as you can see, you are successfully unhide the app. As you can see, my Twitter app is now on my home screen. So that's how you hide apps on iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button, and also guys, follow me on TikTok, share this video to your friends, and also follow my Instagram page. It's also Soji Tech Hub on Instagram. Peace.